If you're watching this video, chances are you're in need of legal assistance, and you want to make sure you find the best lawyer for your case. Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to share some valuable tips on how to find a good lawyer. Whether it's for a personal injury, business matter, or any legal issue, these tips will help you make an informed decision. So, let's dive right in. 1. Understand your legal needs. The first step in finding the right lawyer is to understand your specific legal needs. Different lawyers specialize in various areas of law, so it's essential to identify the type of legal representation you require. For instance, if you're dealing with a divorce, you'll need a family lawyer, while a business dispute might require a commercial lawyer. Once you know your needs, you can narrow down your search to find lawyers with relevant expertise. 2. Research potential lawyers. Now that you know what type of lawyer you need, it's time to conduct some research. Start by asking for recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues who may have had positive experiences with lawyers in the past. Online review platforms and legal directories can also be valuable resources to read reviews and gather information about lawyers in your area. 3. Check qualifications and experience. When researching potential lawyers, it's crucial to check their qualifications and experience. Look for lawyers who have the necessary licenses and are registered with the local bar association. Additionally, consider their years of experience in handling cases similar to yours. An experienced lawyer will likely have a better understanding of the complexities of your case and how to navigate the legal system effectively. 4. Schedule consultations. The next step is to schedule consultations with the lawyers you've shortlisted. Many lawyers offer free or low-cost initial consultations. These meetings are an opportunity for you to discuss your case, ask questions, and gauge how well you connect with the lawyer. During the consultation, pay attention to their communication style, willingness to listen, and their ability to explain legal concepts in a way that you can understand. 5. Ask the right questions. Don't be afraid to ask the right questions during the consultation. Some important questions to consider asking include: 1. How much experience do you have with cases like mine? 2. What are your fees and billing practices? 3. Do you have any references from past clients? 4. How will you communicate with me about the progress of my case? 5. What are the potential outcomes of my case? 6. Consider communication and accessibility. Effective communication is crucial when working with a lawyer. You need someone who will keep you informed about the progress of your case and respond to your questions and concerns promptly. Consider the lawyer's accessibility and communication style during your consultations. 7. Check for disciplinary actions. Before making your final decision, it's essential to check if the lawyer has any history of disciplinary actions or complaints. You can usually find this information on the State Bar Association's website. A good lawyer should have a clean professional record and be in good standing with the bar. Conclusion: finding a good lawyer can make a significant difference in the outcome of your legal matter. Remember to understand your specific legal needs, research potential lawyers, check their qualifications and experience, schedule consultations, ask the right questions, consider communication and accessibility, and verify their professional record. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to finding the right lawyer for your case. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.